In this video, I'm showing you step by step how I prepare the Batchwell Classic Margarita Cocktail Mix and Mocktail Mix. What I really like about this mix is how convenient it is. It already has that classic lime-forward margarita flavor, giving you a fresh and bright taste without needing a lot of extra ingredients. It's also made with real lime flavor and no artificial sweeteners or preservatives, which gives it a cleaner and more natural taste. To make it, I start by pouring the desired amount of the mix into a glass or shaker filled with ice. The great thing is how versatile it is. You can easily turn it into a cocktail by adding your preferred spirit, or keep it alcohol-free by mixing it with sparkling water, soda, or just cold water for a refreshing mocktail. Next, I shake or stir everything well until fully combined. And in just a few seconds, it's ready to enjoy with that classic margarita-inspired taste. I love using it for gatherings, dinners, parties, or even just when I want to make something quick and refreshing at home without the hassle of measuring multiple ingredients. If you want an easy way to make cocktails or mocktails with a classic margarita taste, this Batchwell mix is a really practical and delicious option.